Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Cái YouTube channel nang kalen sa lunglomhnak tampi ka ngai. Tuni cho try ka du pang mi le a ka du pang mi. He ka hen my beloved sauce to me YouTube as kam pang ko lai. He ka hen ama he sim. I sauce ka kan za at seafood he a pang mi sa sauce ka tho tuk ding lo le ma kha. Atu finally a sauce avan zor chang so Amazon kam hu chang ka pang ko order le tuni long he ka to ko kan trompel cái mani khang kai tok tan kho mi so yeah ama ban tuk lobster angan pe pi cái khori lo na tini ka hin lime tompal kai I mean lemon ka hin tompal ka ngai so mi he Amazon a chok kho se hi ka hin amani sauce recipe to mi long te khai kan na to vir le cái mani kin to cái mani kin chim haw lo kin hi ka hin amana to mi amana chim ni ban tu te kha na to sia chun a sauce ban tuk na try kho but arim ka thai nak in sun tompal te khem India rim lai India roll rim lai ki nampa so a thai lo minan cha maybe I would say 80% not simen la exactly ama to mi ta thodo men ka la kai ma to mi nak chun number 10 kai mani khan kasi kho chung khan a flavor kha katapa and kai ve so yeah chok nan du sa chun he ka hen Amazon a chok kho salai description box a khan Amazon a chok kho nak te kha kan to pyak nan du sa nak cho ve te rak try ve te other than that guys let's get started so in house it kho dialo always I'm not gonna finish my food doesn't mean I waste it but I save it for my sister so later on kho lo mi po ka ma nya ka pyak so yeah we don't waste food just so you know I'm sorry ka arty eggs Amana chim bentuk kan. So, oh my gosh, let's get started. Kakut kan ho mai tila. Oh my gosh. Woo. Satu. Woo. Ah. That was a lot. Satu. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there for now. So, amana chimban tu kan zan zan kai to chele tunya ka ai mismo a thoda ote. Atlum sungai. Amana chim ni man to kan ka to ale baro kha tam ngai te ko pai na bal ti khan a chiti tam to du lo mi cha chun baro kha tam pi pe nam pe lo tha ko la because I ngai so hot Kesukaan na ola. Ah! Hot. Oop! Ma king crab pakati long na hin $7 bakapir idea tilo nan ba mo koma ti ke tam tak ha $7 tan sa vi ko lobster tail chiti cho tam bak. So chiti tam adu lo mi sa so chiti baro khatam tung lak pe la. Tampi arak I put pang mi ka thai chang because a sip yam mi kha ma lemon at toy mi ni khan abom tok. Hey guys, so ma video ka e ko tok sala kapok chungai ka then try do it to try we go ama a videos so long kisro ken the ma only can try we la so then you know what it tastes like instead of just watching her videos. So I really recommend you try it. It's really worth trying. But you know, I recommend it if you don't like a lot of oil, then I will recommend you use less butter. So I mean, I did the way whatever she wrote it on her package. So yeah, and she also have her videos. I thought I people who did take in and do such videos on that course and a package on the Amazon. If you guys want to buy it, link down below. I'll have it in my description box. So yeah, thank you so much. I love it. It tastes really good. So yeah, you guys should go and try it. Other than that, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, follow me on Instagram and subscribe my YouTube channel. Link down below. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Link down below. Thank you. Bye.